Hello viewers, how are you? I hope you find good. Okay, so today we have a new grammar lesson. It's called How to Use Pronouns Correctly. So before I start, okay, let me share my screen. Okay, and now I think you can share my screen. Here is the title of the lesson, it's talking about the using pronouns correctly. Okay, so firstly, of course, we got before what does mean pronouns and antecedents. Okay, so today we have to apply how to or how we can use the pronouns correctly. So here number one, okay, he says here that the subject to pronouns are used in compound subject. Yeah, exactly. So here this is subject pronouns like he, she, it, we, you, they. Okay. So here adjective pronouns are used in compound objects. Okay. For example here, Dion and Lisa play chess. Okay. So here, Dion and Lisa, so he. Okay. So here listen, Leon and he. Exactly. But here, for example, Lisa and she. Okay, so here that's in the first part of the lesson. Okay, that's in when you try to use the compound subject or compound subject or compound objects. Okay, you have to each one of them is accepted the other. That we saw here that's in Dion and Lisa, he and she. Okay, the second example here, the game of chess interests Dean and Lisa. The game of the chess interests Dean and Lisa. So here this in the game interests and her, him and her. So him and her form the compound object. The compound object. Okay, so here that's in him and her. Why? Because they are pronouns, okay, for Dion and Lisa. Okay, so here that's the number one. Okay, so here that's in we have important part you have to focus on. Here's that's in whatever the subject pronoun I or the object pronoun me is a part of the compound subject. It should came or come last. It should come last. Okay, just a minute. Okay, it should come last. What does mean should come last? For example, here, can you read the example? The example says what? Said Dion and I went to chess at tournament. So here that's a not. Okay, so here that's a not an and you. So I cannot say I and you. Why? Because I is preferable to come at the end of the sentence. Okay, the should comes last. Okay, Dion and I. Okay, so here that's in how to use pronouns correctly. So number one, you have to that's in subject agreement that's in agree with the subject. Number two here that's in I came at the rest of the sentence. Of course, we have here, for example, let's say we chess players. Okay, study chess intently. So here he tries to explain the example now. Players, the subject. So the subject pronoun we is used. We is used. Okay, so here that's in we have to focus on the 3 points. So let's start now. Okay, firstly before wait just a minute. Okay, so here we can answer many questions here. Let's underline the pronouns in parentheses. Okay, underline. So here the thing, athletes need your enthusiastic support. So here the thing, we athletes need your support or need your enthusiastic support. We exactly, because it's subject pronoun. Number two, Jan and are our class representative. Jan and whom? So here listen, Jan and she or Jan and her. Jan and she. Jan and she are our class representative. So here listen subject, Jan and she. Okay. So here number two. Number two, are you going to come with Rudy? So here, are you going to come? Okay, with Rudy and I, or Rudy and me? So are you coming or are you going to come to sit? Okay, or to Rudy? Rudy and me or and I? Come with Rudy and yes, I think that's an I. Okay, okay. Come with Rudy and me because here is an object. Me now. Number two is gonna be me because an object. Okay. So number three now, here is the tallest player on the team is the tallest player. Okay, on the team is uh-huh is he. The tallest player in the team is he, not him. Okay. So here, listen, thank you so much. I think this lesson is a piece of cake. Okay, you can watch it on SEO. Okay, so once you may understand or once you misunderstand, don't hesitate to text me. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye bye.